I'm here in Novato and just wanted to showcase a completed project here off of Atherton Avenue that we just wrapped up. So this was a large installation where we redeveloped completely an existing landscape. So let's walk through a little bit. Right now we're in the vegetable garden and you can see these nice gracious 3x10 galvanized beds that we have here. In between those we have nice walkways of crushed rows of vines here that's been compacted to make our garden pathways there. So you can see this nice big vegetable area. Deer were an issue here, so we enclosed this with some hog wire panel fencing, and that has a kicker board down below to kind of accommodate our grade there, and then extended posts up to be a deterrent for our deer here. We exit the garden here and come out onto a paver patio. And we'll get a view back here. So these pavers are a large format calstone paver. This is Sequoia sandstone is the color here. And then this was paired to a pergola kit, and that was something that the homeowner purchased and installed. This is a Yardistry kit, which is available from Costco, this particular one. But for a kit pergola, it's nice because it's got that enclosed roof and it's got all wood construction. So fairly attractive and makes a nice space and a good economical option for a patio covering there. What we did was install, and you can see them there, the concrete piers for supports there, and then they built a pergola off of that. Now along the perimeters here we've got low voltage lighting that runs along the patio and pathways here, and that's FX Luminaire gooseneck pathway light there. As we transition in here, you can see we changed to a smaller format calstone quarry-stone paver, and that leads us along our rest of our garden pathways here that kind of connect everything. Now within this area here, we replanted in here and have a nice gracious lawn there, and then we took kind of an existing drainage swale and moved around some of their existing materials and really redeveloped that into a new kind of dry stream bed that flows a little bit in the wintertime. And then you can see some new low maintenance, low water use plantings that we have in here. A combination of kind of a Mediterranean type of theme, really focusing on yellows and purples here. And then the connecting pathway, they have a little barn over there that connects in there. We'll kind of back our way out here and you can get a better view there, and we'll kind of see what things look like from the entryway there. So you can see back to the vegetable garden and that patio space there. And then back here on the entry, there's still a little bit of work in progress here, but we've got this nice big gracious landing zone here, and then you can see the big front lawn space there, kind of tying everything together there with those calstone pavers. We'll get out of the sun here a little bit and go back over and kind of see a view back across the yard here. We'll get us one last view over the dry stream bed, and you can kind of get a good overview for kind of the pieces of the whole project here. So this is our completed landscape installation in Novato.